Hello everyone, welcome to my garden. My name is Anna. So today I will be cleaning the garden. I need to weed the grass. We've been getting so much rain. Finally we got a little break. So the lawn is a little long and I need to clean my flower bed. So I'm excited about that. I have a few plants that I want to put in there. And yeah, I need to harvest a few things. My carrots are done, ready to be harvested, and my tomatoes are hardening. So they've been in the garden for about 4 days now. So they should be ready to be planted pretty soon. So yeah, I'm excited. So let's get to work. Let's clean up and yeah, let's get to work. I really like this plant. And the bees love it. It produces like a purple little flower and is always covered in bees when it's flowering. I don't know the name of it, but it reminds me of bamboo and it does spread pretty badly. But I'm good keeping up with it. I am trying not to let it get too wild. I just really like the plant. It produces little vines and they just run under the soil and it just keeps spreading. I don't know, so far it's not crazy for me to keep up with it, but if it gets too out of hand, I will remove it and maybe put it in a pot. I just got this pot. I wasn't too sure about the color of it, but I just like the way that it sits. I have not decided yet which plant I'm gonna put inside of it. So if you have any plants that you think they will look pretty in this pot, let me know. I think that should be good for weeding this flower bed. Let's plant my star jasmine. I got this plant from Lowe's. Let me see if you can see it. It's a star jasmine. And I heard or I read that it smelled so beautiful. And it flowers, I believe, is from summer all the way to fall. There is different types of jasmine vines. I believe there's a pink one, there's the white one, and they all have their own cool things about them. I know the pink one flowers during spring, only spring, and for the rest of the year is just a green vine. But this one will flower most of the year, so I'm pretty excited. So we're gonna plant it right now and we're gonna train it to go up the trellis. If you have a bird bath, you should be replacing the water every 2 days and giving it a little scrub about once a week to keep the little birds healthy. I still have a lot to do, but I'm just gonna weed this bed and that'll be it for today. I am considering putting a raised bed on this side of the garden because I would like more space to grow my vegetables, and I feel like my herb garden takes a lot of space where I can put like more tomatoes or squash or things like that. So I was thinking maybe I can put a raised bed here and make it my herb garden, since herbs are okay with a little bit more shade, and this is a mostly shaded part of the garden. So I was thinking about that. This is a Rose of Sharon. I always do that. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I have some tulips around it. Let's see. Oh, I'm gonna have to move my tulips. Let's see. Oops. Okay, that should be good. So yeah, I was able to finish the flower bed. I cleaned up most of it. I've been focusing on painting my back door today because it's been like a week that I started it and I just never finished it, but it's almost done. It's getting there. I really like the color. I think it's pretty. I've been wanting to do it for a long time and I finally got to finish my flower bed. It looks much better. It was bothering me that there was too much stuff on it. I know the one spot looks pretty bare. There's nothing on it, but that's gonna change soon. Once I plant all of my veggies, I will set up my little pond. Pretty excited about that. And yeah, I think that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye.